Check this out. This is some
fish. Salmon. Salmon is not fish.
Look at that fishy fish right there.
I want to see its scales.
Don't touch it with your. Oh, see the scales? See?
Wait, I want to touch its scales.
Okay, well, you gotta take your clothes. You take off your slammer outfit. I don't want you to get your slammer outfit all dirty.
I'm taking it off. You're not gonna catch me. I'm gonna throw in everything in this house. Wow.
Bro.
You went to sleep.
Really?
Let me touch its scales.
Oh, see the scales right there? So fishy.
Wait, fishes live in the water?
Really?
And they have dirty water inside of them?
They do? I did not know that.
But when those people find fishes in the water, they rinse it off at their store and then they put it in a nice juicy spot.
Oh, they do that? So this is some salmon that I got from H-E-B. It's some king salmon. It looks pretty good, I thought. And I got some Dungeness crab. This is just how to make some nigiri. Some basic ingredients.
Who are you talking to?
Oh, I'm talking to the camera. Because I would like to show people how we love to make our sushi.
I'm gonna touch its scales again. Scales are beautiful.
They are?
Let's take its skin off. Bro, what is that part?
Look, we're gonna touch the scale. What do you think that fish's name was?
That white stuff inside of it? What is it called?
I don't know.
This was a golden fish.
It was.
Yeah.
Oh, we're rich. Good.
We don't need it. We have to sell this to other people.
You think we should be fish sellers now?
Yeah, we need to find golden fish at the beach today.
Yeah, I like that idea.
But the beach is on a different island.
Oh, yeah, one.
I don't know. I haven't seen it in a few days.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice. Interesting.
Bones?
Yeah, I guess so.
Fishes have bones?
Well, of course they have bones. Of course they do.
Okay, smashing out its skin.
Got the fish skin?
It makes the fish skin stronger and longer.
Really?
Yeah. Skin really grows when you just smash it up and it gets healthy and strong.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah, they don't move.
They don't?
When you throw these back in the water, the beach, tiny baby fishes are gonna grow.
They're gonna grow, yeah?
Yeah.
I like that.
Well, the people,
Okay, what about crabs? So this is some Dungeness crab I got. Dungeness crab, it's from a dungeon, you see? So the price on crab is always based off of the best perfect pieces. So this Dungeness crab was $19 at H-E-B, but it had a broken claw on it. So I was like, an extra one. So they gave me a whole extra cluster, making it basically $10 a pound. So if nothing else, always negotiate on your crab prices.
I know you're talking to the camera.
I know, it's weird, right?
Yeah. Can't talk.
I know. People are watching, so I want to show them how we can make some delicious food. Avocado?
Wait, actually we need these.
Oh, yeah, you can do that one.
You have to first smash these up and then... Wait, you put these fish things on top of sushi, it tasted very good.
It does?
But you have to peel off the skin.
That's what we did. We peeled off the skin, and then we cut it up.
But peel enough, the skin not... We have to take this part off.
Oh, much better. Oh, I think our hands are just too dry.
Dad, don't forget to turn off the water.
Okay, come on.
Always turn off the water.
I know, right?
Yeah. Paper towel. Oh, I need paper towel, Dad.
Okay.
Hurry up.
All right, now let's get some Dungeness crab on here.
Dungeon.
Oh, okay. And I'll do a piece of salmon on top.
Hey, I'm gonna do that.
Do a slice of avocado.
I need to go pee.
Okay, all right, it's not looking too bad. Let's see here. Little Dungeness crab on there. Piece of salmon on top. Little avocado. Okay. Let's see what we got working with here. Let's see if we can make something that is delicious. Okay. How about that? All right. Okay.
I know you're talking to the camera, Dad.
Yeah. To myself too.
And to me.
And to you.
I'm always one. I know people are talking to the camera. People that normally don't do cameras.
You don't?
Yeah. People's names are called sushi record. Yeah, they're great at making avocado sushi.
They are?
Yeah, sushi tastes very bad.
Do you think it's bad?
Yeah. I need to put more avocados on here.
You want to help me?
No, let me put the avocados on there. We can reach the avocados. Sushi avocados.
Mm-hmm.
Look.
Oh, that looks so beautiful now.
Yeah. Put them on.
We did it. What do you think of this?
Yeah. I know.
Looking pretty good?
I know.
You know what?
Yeah.
It looks pretty good.
Yeah, there's more sushi. We need more.
Yeah. Just wait just a second. Let's go ahead and hit. Let me rinse this off real quick.
Dad?
Yeah.
I swear I just saw a piano first. It was just holding a white stick.
What?
Where he got a white stick from?
I don't know.
Maybe he painted it.
You think so?
Yeah, I saw he painted. Our house is really in danger.
In of Pianosaurus?
No.
Of what?
I know the nightmare critters right.
Oh, the nightmare critters are here?
Yeah. I hear people talk very loud.
They do that?
We have to be very quiet.
Very quiet like this.
Yeah, be quiet, guys.
Okay.
Careful, because
Be careful.
monsters.
They have a very good smell.
Quiet. But they smell the sushi. They can't smell us. They smell the sushi. Don't have that.
Yeah. You have to be very careful.
Be quiet.
Okay.
You know, I need to tell you something.
What's that?
Are you and Kissy Missy is also here?
Oh, really?
Yeah, Kissy Missy is very nice. But Buggy, not very nice.
No, it's like a monster, isn't it?
But they can.
Alright. Let's see here. Not bad at all.